So, it's been an overwhelming months for me, and even on a daily basis I just choose to day by day, and today I just little by little clean up this space. This used to be so dirty and now it's clean, and I'm reading this one. This is the print out from last Saturday because I was still so overwhelmed with a lot of things, and there were so many activities on that Saturday. So in the morning was the women to women, and then the first dental checkup of Anyana, and then follow-up checkup of Onyara, and then a um, birthday celebration with our couples. So I was like, when I think about all those things, I just want to, last Saturday I feel like I don't want to go to any of those activities, and then I prayed and asked God, and of course went to ChatGPT for this one. So this is I read it Friday night, and then I prayed, and thankfully the weekend was well spent and I love it. So I was able to recover, and yeah, so I thought there will be full recovery because we had our helper back over the weekend, so she was with us Saturday and Sunday, and sadly she went home again on Monday, and never to come back. So we're out of household helper again, and that's why, yeah, it's my third day of supposed to be a restful vacation, but it's not happening. But I trust God for all things. So yeah, I'm just taking it one day at a time, and um doing things one day at a time. So this is a permission slip prayer and an affirmation. So Lord, I release the pressure to do everything with full energy. Thank you that my worth is not in my performance, but in being your daughter. Guide me to show up where it matters, and give me peace to step back when I need rest. So the next three lines is pertaining to last Saturday, and I don't need it. But I think the one that I just read is will be applicable to me every day. So I'm just gonna put it here somewhere big. It's like my serenity prayer. And this is affirmation. I also need this. I'm allowed to go light. I can show up simply. I don't need to ever explain. My presence, short or long, is enough. Yeah, and I think for someone like me, it can be hard to just do things without reasons. But yeah, and with all these things happening, I'm letting go and letting God to do what needed to be done, because I know his when things go my way, when waves go my way, the Lord is just preparing me for something better, and I'm really looking forward to all the learnings that I'm gonna endure. So yeah, happy September.